Hi, is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here.
Thanks. My name is Peter. What's your name?
I'm Linda. Nice to meet you, Peter.
Nice to meet you too. Are you new here?
Yes, today is my first day.
Which class are you in?
I'm in Class 8A. How about you?
Me too. We're classmates.
That's great. Where are you from?
I'm from Da Nang. And you?
I'm from Hanoi.
Do you like this school so far?
Yes, everyone is friendly.
What subjects do you like?
I love English and art.
Me too. I also like playing football.
I play badminton after school.
That's cool. Do you want to join us for lunch later?
Sure, I'd love to.
Where do you usually eat?
In the school canteen.
Okay, see you at lunchtime.
See you.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother.
Maybe we can study together sometime.
That sounds good. Let's do it.